Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to create a video like Mr. Beast, the YouTuber that you are know. And the way to create it, there's a few effect that he's adding onto his video in his video YouTube. And the way to create it, actually I already know these two effect. The first one is an explosion, and the second one was the zoom in and zoom out effect on your video. And the way to create it, the first one is an explosion. And okay, the way to create it, first you need to open your Capcut like this and then create a new project and then add the video that you want to insert this effect like this, and then go to the overlay, add an overlay, and insert this explosion green screen video that you can found on YouTube, and you can downloading it, this one, kind of like this, and then adjust the size or the duration from it and make sure it's fit onto the screen. So just go to basic if you are using a Capcut mobile like me, and then increase the scale from the clip onto 100 like this. And then the next thing that you need to do is go to the remove BG, and use chroma key, this one, and drag the color picker onto the green screen. Increase the intensity from the color picker, kind of like this. Wait for a moment. Okay, kind of like this, and hit the check button when you're done. And now the next thing that you need to do is increase the size from the effect one more time again, kind of like this. And if you are finished doing it, this is the effect that actually Mr. Beast have on his video, an explosion. And the second effect that he have on his video was zoom in and zoom out. So the way to adding a zoom in and zoom out on your video is just by go to your video like this and then click this keyframe button for the first duration. And then on the second duration, you need to slowly increase the size from the screen by pinching out your finger like this, kind of like this. And if you want to adding a zoom out, you just need to add another keyframe and send it back. But to make it much more smooth, I have a recommendation for you to add another keyframe first like this, and then now add another keyframe on the last duration and make the video back to normal again. And when you're done, this is the final result of it. As you can see, now we have this zoom in and zoom out effect on the video. And that's the way to create a video like Mr. Beast, the YouTuber. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.